Why are there not more people talking about easy YouTube content ideas? Let's dive into some. Struggling to come up with fresh YouTube ideas? You're not alone. With over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, standing out is tough. But don't stress, I've got your back. First up, tutorials. Everyone loves learning something new. Whether it's a cooking recipe or a tech hack, people are always searching for how-to guides. Next, challenges. They're fun, engaging, and viewers love watching them. Create your own unique twist and watch the magic happen. And you can't forget reaction videos. Share your thoughts on trending topics, music videos, or viral TikToks. People love seeing genuine reactions. Here's a golden nugget behind the scenes videos. Show your audience what goes into making your content. Planning, filming, editing, even bloopers. It humanizes you and gives your audience a peek into your creative process. To wrap it up, explore these ideas, tutorials, challenges, reaction videos, and behind-the-scenes peeks. Creativity is all around you. Experiment and find what works best. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite content ideas in the comments, like subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips. Catch you in the next video.